Parts of the country are reeling from devastating storms caused by Hurricane Helene. Video on your screen now shows parts of Interstate 40 in Asheville where a portion of the highway collapsed.
The damage has isolated parts of North Carolina from the rest of the country. Roads and bridges are wiped away and many are without power. Helene made landfall along Florida's Big Bend region last Thursday as a Category 4 hurricane. According to the latest data, the death toll from Helene is more than 125 people across 6 states, and western North Carolina is one of the hardest hit areas.
Allie Root is here now to explain how disaster relief groups are working to ease the burden.
North Carolina's governor says the state is dealing with a situation unlike anyone has ever seen there, saying the damage is extensive and devastating. That's why volunteers are on the ground providing resources to people in need.
You're going to have to sit here and wonder, will they recover from this?
Several towns in North Carolina are left in shambles after Helene tore through the southeast.
The devastation was beyond belief. And even when you prepare for something like this is something that's never happened before in western North Carolina.
Kentucky native Chris Hall is in Asheville helping with disaster relief efforts. The storm chaser says the city currently has little to no running water or power.
Everything is underwater. Everything down there is just destroyed.
According to the Associated Press, several main routes into the city were washed away or blocked by mudslides, including Interstate 40. Hall notes that the mountain landscape there made Asheville and other surrounding towns more vulnerable.
Water blasting over the hillside. I mean, this is probably moving 75, 80 miles an hour at you. Just a wall of water and debris. I mean, what are you supposed to do?
Data shows the storm has killed at least 40 people in the area.
It reminded me instantly of back in Kentucky, the eastern Kentucky floods. You know, houses are washing down the river. You know, people are doing what they can to just hold on.
In addition to providing food, Hall says he and a group called Marco Patriots are helping families get in touch with loved ones through a device that connects to a Starlink internet satellite.
Pretty much we're in a communication black hole. So they would be just clueless about how other family members are or even how they are, or, you know, even if they can go anywhere.
Hall says it's difficult to say how long recovery efforts could take, but that they're doing all they can to help.
Just providing hot food or finding water or supplies. You can see over my shoulder, we're loaded up with supplies behind us and do what we can.
The North Carolina Disaster Relief Fund is now live for anyone who would like to donate to cleanup and recovery efforts. You can find a link to that in this story on fox56news.com. Back to you all.